In this video, I'm going to show you how to do mail merge in New Outlook. Now to do this, you want to go to the top left here in the Home tab, and you want to click on New to actually start creating a new email message. And then from here, first you want to not click on the Send button, but instead on this arrow down. When you do this, you'll open more send options, and here you can find Start Mail Merge. So you want to click on that, and what this will do is you can see over here, every recipient will receive their own copy of this email without other recipients listed, okay? So they won't be able to see every single person who you send this to, which of course is amazing in case you want to achieve this. Now what you have to do over here is basically just type in the recipients. It could be like a recipient list or just individuals. Just type in their email addresses over here. You can then add a subject and of course add the body text over here as well. Now what you want to make sure over here is that you're using like a general greeting. So if you're saying like hello or something like this, make sure you don't say, for example, hello Jack, because you're sending to multiple people. Just type in hello and then of course continue your email. So of course it is generic and not kind of pointed towards a specific person, because they'll all receive a specific copy without the other people listed, okay? So that's essentially how to do this. When you're done, click on Send Mail Merge and you are good to go. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.